Have you ever been curious about making video games? Unsure of where to get started? Get ready to learn Unreal Engine from the best and most beginner-friendly tutorial series under the sheets. I'm going to teach you how to create one of the oldest games, Tic Tac Toe. This isn't just about Tic Tac Toe. It's your first step into Unreal Engine mastery. By the time we're done, you'll know the basics of Unreal Engine, blueprints, and UI design. And if you're lucky, you'll leave the sheets with way more confidence. You'll learn the basics of navigating Unreal Engine, implement game rules and victory conditions. We'll use Leonardo to generate textures for your game faster than you can swipe right on a Saturday night. Create functional UI that communicates with game systems, complex material shaders that will make your art pop, and visual effects that will make your game feel good. Now let's be real, things might not always work the first time. Blueprint bugs, mood killer. But I'll show you how to debug like a pro and get back in the game. If you're beginning or getting started in Unreal Engine 5, this series is for you. No prior coding experience? Don't worry, I'll guide you step by step to build your first fully functional game. This series uses Unreal Engine 5.4, but earlier versions will work too. By the end of the series, you'll not only have a working tic-tac-toe game, but also the skills to take on bigger projects in Unreal Engine. And because I care, I am giving you all of the project files for free on GitHub. This is your first step towards Unreal Engine mastery. So join me under the sheets and let's get started.